Welcome everyone. Today I'm excited to teach some tips on achieving the clean hair aesthetic that many of us admire. If you love that fresh and polished look, I've got you covered. Let's start with a sleek pullback hairstyle. First, use a scrunchie to tie your hair back. That way easy to prepare your hair. Then use a comb to brush it away from your face. For hold, apply a small amount of hard hair wax. Remove the scrunchie and use comb to brush your hair upward. Switch to bamboo brush to gently guide your hair up and back. Now it's time to secure your sleek look. Use a hair tie to tie your hair back. I like a higher position to add lift. You're on the way to look the clean girl vibe. To perfect your sleek hairstyle, let's focus on placing those baby hairs. Using a hair wand, I like to use a K-Worker hair wand because it's strong hold and simply brush back those baby hairs with a hair wand to achieve a sleek look. After using a hair wand, gently brush back with a bamboo brush. This step adds the final touch to your sleek hairstyle. If you prefer a ponytail, you can leave your hair as it is. However, if you like a bun like I am, here is a simple step. Wrap your hair around the area where you have tied the hair while twisting it. Then tie that hair with hair tie. Leave a bit of hair and replace it where you like. The perfect sleek pullback hairstyle is complete. Let's dive into clean girl look makeup. Hydration is key to achieving the fresh skin. I am using water cream, got one from Korea. Water creams are lightweight and they provide deep hydration without feeling heavy on the skin. So it's a great choice. Next, using gua sha for a facial massage to lift the face. When you gua sha, you want to move everything up the face. Using eyebrow soap to lift your eyebrow is a technique for creating a clean girl lifted look. This step adds definition to your natural eyebrow shape. Next, using eyebrow pencil to fill in any gaps in your eyebrows. I personally like to follow my natural eyebrow shape to look natural no makeup look. Next, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Face Moisturizer, SPF in it. I always choose the one that has got SPF. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter is a must-have item for achieving the clean girl look. It offers a beautiful glow skin. I get lots of compliments about my skin when I'm wearing it, and I never disappoint with the result. Using the brush to blend the Flawless Filter onto your skin is a great technique to look seamless finish. Gently brushing it all over your face helps to put the product evenly, creating a base that looks your skin natural beauty. Next, I'm using a YSL highlighter pencil under my eyes and in area where you would apply concealer. A pencil is a great way to brighten those areas. And after, using Beauty Blender to blend the concealer. Next, I am using the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick, defining your features. I like the stick types, makes it easy to apply and blend. Whether you're defining your cheekbones, jawline, forehead or nose, and blend with the brush. Next step is brush. I love to use Makeup Cosmetic Hydro Cheek Tint Duo. Warm these products up with your finger and gently buff into cheeks, eyelids, and lips. Perfect for everyday makeup routine and it gives you a faultless glow look. For eyeliner, I use an eyebrow pencil. It gives more natural look compared to traditional eyeliner. Using an eyebrow pencil for eyeliner adds a soft touch while still defining the eyes beautifully, especially when you want that clean girl vibe. I like to apply on the corners. Now to keep my lashes lift, I am going to use my eyelash curler. And now ready for mascara. I'm using a medium mascara. It's my favorite mascara over years. It stays all day and easy to remove. For hydration my lip, I reach for my favorite lip oil. To look the clean girl, lip needs to be hydrated. And this is the finished look. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this clean girl look journey. Until next time, take care, bye!